YouTube. This Skip coming to you live straight out of Real Hard Cichlid Aquatic Kennels. Right before you, as you can see, I'm preparing a box to be shipped out to one of my clients. What's up, Ray? Shout out to Ray Cooper. We have some chanchos, a couple of peel mitis in this box. I have to finish taping up the bags, making sure the bags are nice and secure, and installate this box. But also, I would like to explain these fry batch cards, purebred certificates, that is also going to be shipped along with this box and the invoice. These certificates, as you can see, display the breed, the sex, the sir, the dam, the birth date, and the fry batch number. And that's for when my client decides that they may want a pedigree certificate for their fish. They can return that fry batch card or look at that fry batch card with the actual sex of the fish, because once they get a certain size, they should be able to determine the sex of the fish and that fry batch number, and I can process and order their pedigree certificate. So I'm going to finish boxing this stuff up. As you can see, I already removed the fry batch cards. Put some tape around these bags, make sure they're nice and secure. I have the chemicals in the bag, the bag buddy, and some stuffing, some installation stuffing. And we're ready to ship these out. In fact, I went through this process a couple of weeks ago with RHC'S fish. Check this out. Here before you is a container that has a nice, beautiful Amphilophus chancho that is about to be shipped out to a lucky client. Now, you would notice that there is a fry batch card on the top of this container. And on this fly batch card, it has the breed, chancho, the sex, we don't know yet. Sex is undetermined. That's why he's getting this card. And he can check that box as soon as the sex is determined, as the fish matures. The sir, Big Balls Hog, sire, Miss Daisy, the fry batch number, so you can know exactly which batch this fish came from, the birth, the month and year, and the breeder's signature. Now, I added this, or I incorporated this in my shipping regimen because I want people to have the ability, if they want to purchase pedigrees on the fish that they purchase from me, that they buy from me. And the only way that I can keep track and have accurate precision information and documentation on that fish is to include this fry batch card. This card lets me know once he or she mature, the sex of this fish and the batch that they came from and the parents. So that if the person opt to purchase a $25 pedigree, and that's just for processing and shipping, they can. So that's one of the measures I've taken to assure complete transparency and accuracy in my breeding program. Okay, here at the post office, about to process and ship out this awesome Real Hard Cichlid Chancho. With fry batch certificate included. Okay, now that I am done insulating the box, preparing these fish to go out for shipping, I try to make sure that it is an experience when people receive fish from me. Hope you guys enjoyed the little clip before this one when I shipped out Eric's fish. It was just me basically already had it prepared and took it directly to the post office. So that was the finished process from a couple of weeks ago. Like, this is the finishing process this week, but I didn't want to go through the whole post office thing with you guys, so I let you view that one from a couple of weeks ago so you can get a understanding and a grasp of what I do over the weekends and how that process goes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and with that said, this Skip, I'm out.